We're here on Scorpion.
You should like lift it up.
Right, we have Cam and Gabe behind us, and then other Cam and Michael. Yes.
Cam and Cam should sit together to make it easier.
Well, we are here on Scorpion at Busch Gardens Tampa. Yeah. Oh, here we go. We're here on Busch Gardens
This
Tampa.
is a powerful little thing.
This packs a punch. This packs a punch.
You wouldn't know.
Yeah. But we're at Busch Gardens.
There's tigers doing
There's tigers.
Yo, but that log flume does look so
The log flume looks fun.
Kumba.
Kumba.
Here we go.
Oh, well
God.
said. Oh, here we go.
I'm a one-hander.
Oh no, oh no.
I can't do it.
Oh no! Oh no! Crap! Literally crap.
I low-key, if you sit in the back though, you get
Oh, you
heated.
get heated. That was fun. That was fun though. That was a lot of fun. Yeah.
The loop, I felt myself kind of float for a minute. I'm like, oh.
A tad bit. I was like, huh?
Oh, we were gonna go.
And your lap bars have been released.
That was
Please gather all personal belongings and exit to your left.